morning, this is Pat again with the Bay & Bay Assets team. Now we're going to talk about the CVS Brake Week coming up here in August. The exact dates for this are August 24th through 30th, and there are going to be increased DOT activity, checking on brakes and all that stuff. If any of you have been a driver for any amount of time, you're familiar with these, you know how they work. So things that we can do to proactively get ahead of this stuff is making sure we're getting in for our PMs, getting routed to our Denton terminal, Minnesota, other places around the country to make sure our equipment is operational, and during brake week we're not going to run into any hiccups. You guys don't want to be down any longer than you have to, and we don't want you to be down any longer than you have to. So preventative maintenance before this time is going to go a long way in making sure to keep us on the road.